guys, the tech guys are back with a new video, and we hope that you have liked our special video and we will be participating in a giveaway. Anyways, we've brought you a new unboxing video of headphones of iBall MusiSway BT01, and I'll be soon bringing you the review of my laptop Lenovo IdeaPad 320, which is under work because we were having our examinations and before, and now we are preparing for our final examinations. We are too busy, that's why we could not post a video for about a month or more, so kindly apologize us for that. We'll not be giving you complaints further, and so without wasting our time, let's get started. So guys, I've already unboxed this to check it whether the product is there or not. So it was something like this, the packaging from iBall Amazon, and here are our headsets. Okay, so the box content is not much interesting. We should directly go on to our headphones. Okay, so these are our headsets. They're foldable, and what else we find is some stickers, four stickers for both sides. Okay, you can stick it over here and here, and we find a cable, aux cable, so that you can plug in, and when there's not enough charging, you can simply plug it in and make it a wired headphone, and the charging cable to charge it, and the user manual, which is again not interesting. So checking a main thing, that is the headphones. We see that it is adjustable, like we find in every headphone from here, according to our comfort. And here we find some leather cushioning for comfort, and this is right for our right ear and left ear, so it will be something like this. And here we have some buttons. This is the mode button. Okay, you have also three modes: the Bluetooth mode, the aux mode, and the Bluetooth aux and micro SD mode. The Bluetooth is wireless, aux is wired, and micro SD is when you insert a micro SD card, which I'll be showing you the slot. And here is to fast forward, play or pause, and rewind. And here is answering a call or turning it off, volume up, volume down. Okay, here we have the micro SD slot. Here we have the charging point, and here we have the aux point to make it a wired one. So without wasting any time, let's check it, how it fits and its audio quality. So guys, I forgot to show the cushioning on these ear parts. So here are the ear portion. This cushioning is also of leather, black. It is of black color. So now let's as you know that when a wireless headphones come, they don't have battery. We have to charge it, so it is not charged as I just opened it. So though it is a wireless one, I'll be showing it as you are wired one, so that I can check the audio quality, because our main aim is to show you the audio quality of these headphones. So now let's plug in this audio aux cable. So this is now a wired one. It's like this. So 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so I tested it for around 50 seconds and I found that the volume is too high. I hope that it must be coming out. The bass is great for its price. This is of the headphones is of 999 and its bass is fine, volume is fine at its cost. So the pros are that you get an amazing quality headphones which you can use even for gaming as well as for sports purposes. And these are its pros, that you are getting a good quality and they are very comfortable also. The cons I find is that I don't like the stickers that we get with it personally. I find it too glossy and I don't like them. And second con I could make out is that I don't like its design. Don't know why, but I don't like its design. It's probably too thick or old design for headsets. Anyways, these are the budget headphones that you can get for two purposes, three purposes in fact: gaming, sports, and for music that you must use as your stress buster. So that's it from our side. I hope you enjoyed our video and keep watching our videos for more stuff, and we'll be back with the tutorials soon, and do participate in the giveaway. Thank you.